Okay, this is February 13th, and we are checking out Trailer Village, right up there, and heading down towards the Hoover Dam. We're going to spend the night down there, and then head on back, if we spend the night there. Never know. Cal Root Peg and wife behind another idiot. Yet another one. In the Grand Canyon. Right.
Yes, it was beautiful here.
All right, folks, that's it. We'll take this one out. We'll see you at the Grand Canyon. Bye. I was just informed that I erred. We'll see you at the Hoover Dam. Which way?
Okay.
We want to go
64?
Yep. Right there.
We want to go through Desert View?
Yeah, we bypass it. Instead of making the left, we go straight.
Okay. All
right, folks, we'll see you at the Hoover Dam, unless we see something on the way, like Gold City. Bye.
That's right, we made a right.
And down there is let's get a selfie there first. Down there is the gates, and thus concludes our Grand Canyon vacation. February 13th today, 2020. And here it is. Regional Park Service, National Park Service, Grand Canyon National Park. It's been a hoot. On to Hoover by Cal Root Peg and wife, known as the Lost RVers. See ya. We're gonna go in, we're just gonna blow by it. The infamous Yabba Dabba Doo Welcome RV Park.
It's Raptor.
And then the sheet. Check that out. Yabba Dabba Doo. I guess the RV park, there's something behind this wall. But we aren't going in. Yabba Dabba Doo. Bye. Alright, this is North 95, going back the same way we came, but we're going to the Hoover Dam. It's about 20 miles ahead. It's only the biggest dam around. We missed it coming this way. So this is Thursday, day 4 plus 2, day 7, right? 4 plus 2 in actuality, of this great West Coast American road trip, number 19, the Grand Canyon. Along the way we stopped at Las Vegas, a bunch of tapes out on that, and then the road cruise on out to the Grand Canyons, a couple tapes there. Just downloaded 2 at the Grand Canyon. They're cool. It's good scenery. Great. I mean, you know, for a camera, for a phone, it's excellent. There's one more where we actually walk up. What's the name of that thing? Desert View. It's like a tower that goes up 4 or 5 flights of these stone staircases. We went up there and got all that Indian cave painting stuff. And now the Hoover Dam. We'll probably stay around there tonight and see what we can find. And then on our way home after that, with stops along the way, no doubt. Cal Root Peg and wife.
Keep following.
Keep following. The Lost RVers saying adieu. We'll be back. Hoover Dam. They like this gorge. Wow.
Expansive? What do you say? Expansive.
Wow, expansive. Beautiful. Well, we're about 17 miles. We're inside the Lake Mead's, what's it, State Park?
National Recreation
Park.
Area or something? National Recreation Area.
National. Willow Beach.
1 mile.
It is beautiful. Everything is beautiful when you're RVing. Because after all,
isn't that the truth?
Isn't it the truth though? I mean, even the hamburgers taste better, you know. The air smells better. The sax is better. Wait, what's that? Hang on now. Barbecue's better. Everything's better when you're RVing. That's why songs are so popular about RVing, right? Yeah. Now this is beautiful. Now Lake Mead is fed, if you didn't know out there, Lake Mead is fed by the Colorado, which dug out the Grand Canyon, so it's like a big sister of the Grand Canyons, if not part of the same geological upheaval and making that the Grand Canyon was. All right, we're back down to flatland, sort of. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, we're in the vicinity of this big dam,
Right.
Hoover Dam, bridge, walkway, Lake Mead, Boulder City. I say Boulder Dash, Boulder Dash. Okay, this is the Lost RVers going somewhere that we should have been already, but we passed it somehow.
Okay, right.
Which way?
Right.
Turn right now.
And something's going on with our trailer hitch. It's just moaning. Maybe a little grease, huh?
Proceed 3 miles.
Oh, wow.
Destination.
2.5 miles. So this is what we're climbing up. It goes up pretty steep too. This is what it reminds me of, baby. This was the road that I took. This is it. Back in the heyday, 69, 69, 68, part of 70. All right, I'll be right back. We'll just start this now.
Reduced speed ahead. 15 miles an hour.
This is going down and onto Hoover. There's the bridge above us, if you can see it.
Wow.
We can slow down. The security checkpoint takes about 5 minutes. Some guy was behind us.
Your destination is
Wow.
ahead.
All right. Now, as I recall, this is what the road down to the Hoover Dam was. And this is what it, and that's why we didn't see it. We went straight across. Phew. We just blew by it. All right, check that out. Wow. Wow.
Stop. It says stop on red, but it's yellow. So, do we go?
Sure, yellow means go to me.
Car and tour buses, money, pay attendant.
Now he said 13, 14.
Whoa! Did they mean it to go that way? Or
There
they
it
put
is. Every time I turn this thing, the phone goes off. I miss it.
parking $10? Can we go past this point?
You have
No.
arrived at your
Is there
destination.
anybody behind us?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna take this off and shoot this way. Try not to crash. I just fucking lost the picture.
Thanks, Roxbury.
Wow,
I guess,
no parking.
oh, I guess we're just driving across.
I guess so. I didn't see any place to park, did you?
No, and I mean,
You know what?
to walk across here.
Can't see too much from here. We've out of time. At least we know what time it is. We haven't known the time in 3 or 4 days. Alright. We got a whole... So this is Cal Rootpeg and wife, known as Lost RVers. Not lost, but not sure what to do. Look at that. I'm gonna unplug real quick. I can bring you an above the car window shot. It's a long walk down. I think we're going to Boulder City and on the California side, try to win some of our vacay money back. Get my wife on these penny Wheel of Fortune games.
Oh wow.
Hold on, changing hands. Listen to that. Oh man. Yes, there's a dam. And this is free stuff here. You know what? Well, we can park right here, right? That's what this is for. All right, we found a parking spot. Oh, wait, over here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go over
I
there.
don't know, babe.
Huh?
This is, yeah. Parking Arena 11.
No buses. Well, we aren't parking. We're just parking to take some pictures. I'll be back. Cool. We're here. All right. Well, this is the lake side of the dam. Yeah. There's many people that want to see this. You know, it's not that magnificent looking, but it's one of those things you got to see when you come west, right, or going east, depending on where you're starting from. Coming south, going north. Look what it was carved out of, man. Just blown to pieces. And then that baby there put in its place. And there's the water from the Colorado that you were looking on the previous tape. That's the same water. It flows right into there. Uh-oh, no buses. We ain't no bus. Area 51, no. Parking area 11. Let's see what's over here. There's more rocks, more cliffs. Alright. Alright. We have it. We have it on tape. And there's the overpass that they built that we took, and we missed this whole lake. Alright. Cal Root Pagan Wife, known as Lost RVers at Hoover Dam. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello. So you come in and you cross the dam, and you just make a U-turn. So of course we're going in for you know what. What do you think, folks? What do you think? RVers, Lost RVers, what do you think we're going in here for? That's right, a stick pin and a magnet. Then we'll walk over there and show you all that stuff in a second, but we're going to make sure we're here before they close. So talk to you later. Bye. Grand Canyon. Oh, here you go, some. Which one to get? 366. We were on it, but we weren't really on it.
She said stick pins are on the back wall and the magnets. There's more magnets.
We'll get to it.
Well,
I have faith. If they have them, we'll find them. Right here. Stick pins. Yeah, baby. Alright, well. Alright. Did you find magnets here?
yeah, do I want a 3D one? Help me. Do I want this one?
Nah,
That
we got
shows
too
the
many that
reality.
look. That's too cheap.
What about this?
That's a nice one. That's big.
Oh, it's a
Alright, I'm
little-
gonna go find my pen. Are these pins?
Oh, look. This is a Las Vegas one with dice in it.
Cal Root Pagan Wife. Going right here. See ya. Bye. I've only seen these guys on ads before, but Well, he talked to us a second ago. Motion sensor, but it didn't do it. I guess you can't do it twice without paying the buck.
Oh, I like these chairs. Okay.
I do too.
Okay, cool. They're not plastic.
Like, yeah, everything about this place. Nothing? Really? Alright. See ya. Okay, we're going to go over there and see what kind of view this gives us. Bye. Pictures of then and now. Wow, it looks like Niagara Falls. Is that a spillway? An exhibit? Ah, the making of it. Then and now. Must be some battery saving mode again. Then of course you go up like that and there she be. Lordy be. Oh, those transmission lines. If this thing ever went down, Vegas would just be an oblivion. No water, no power. Most LA, San Diego. Alright. Here you got the bird's eye view. Can't get to the other side without walking a mile. We were just too burnt. I am. Alright. We'll see you on the next spot, probably the lake itself. Bye. There's the copper elevator going down on Turd, I suppose. Maybe the next time through. It's getting late. We have to find some place to camp. We're running out of water. We were to fill up in the Grand Canyon, but all the water spigots were frozen. We left without filling up. All right, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, we'll take the outdoor shots as we go back across it, because you can't go across it. You have to go in and I don't want to get any wind noise on this one. We're right up there. But you do go through an inspection point. They went through the truck, and they went through the RV. They went through all the storage units too. Look at that.
We could just go back to Las Vegas.
Oh, listen, my wife. We could just go back to Las Vegas. Why go back to Las Vegas when we're in Boulder City, USA? Nevada, California. No, Nevada, California. Most Nevadians are Californians, escaping the high taxes. Here we go. Coming down off of that point. Cow, root, pig, and wife. What an adventure. Trip number 19. Our other big trip was up to Seattle. Went about the same way. Spent about 8 days, a couple thousand miles there too. Well, not as many as this trip, but pretty close to it. But on that trip now, we failed, and we stayed at a hotel for 2 nights of it. Oh. All right, here we go. I don't want to run anybody over. That's down. That's looking down. This is coming up to it. Where's that? I think that's that's where they take the tours. You go down an elevator there. Come on, folks. I'll wait. I'll wait. Oh, listen to that. Boy, we got some squealing in the background. It needs... Okay, I'm going to switch hands and drive with this hand. I don't know what I'm filming. It's actually 4:45. Another golden door. Look at this guy. That's the way to travel, man, right there. I like that. All right, well, there's the bridge up there. It's the crossover. Look at that beautiful building. It's all copper, huh? Is that copper? Oh, God bless you. Lady's just being polite. And now we climb back up now. Food and gifts. Oh, maybe we should go in there and get some more magnets. Probably get the same ones. Yeah, we'll go on. Parking $10. No tourists today. General admission. Oh well. All right. Thus concludes Hoover Dam. Next, Boulder City. Bye. Lake Mead from the car anyway. Part of it. But we're going down to the visitor center and just see what's down here. There's there's Hoover Dam Hotel right there. You can gamble there. Yay! How you like them apples, huh? Alright, we'll see. The park store.
Oh, that's the visitor center.
Do we want to go in there or go down? Let's go down here.
Oh, it'll be open, yeah.
Huh? The other one was. This is when all the pigeons come out at night, you know. What's that say? Historical Railroad Trail. Okay, we don't want to see any trains. We want to see the lake. Say we've seen the lake. And once you see the lake, then you can say that you've seen the lake. Now, if I had a fishing pole, which I do, but I don't have a license, I would love to say I saw the lake and fished the lake.
The area camp in designated area only. Huh.
Off travel. Oh man, we could camp down here. Look at that view, huh? Now my story that I was trying to tell is that when we were coming down here, you could come right down to these flats right over here, over there, right there, and just bring your cars right up to the lake. It was during the music of Jack Be Nimble, Jack Be Quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick, and we take gallons of gasoline. It was just red mud clay right to the very edge, maybe a 4-foot drop, and we'd just catch the clay on fire and play the music. Jack Be Nimble, Jack Be Quick.
Are we gonna have to pay here?
I don't know. Are we gonna pay? Just say we don't know what the hell happened. It's like getting on the ferry in Seattle. We just gotta follow the car and here we come, you know.
Can we just pull through? We were just looking at the lake. I don't know. What do we want to do?
I don't want to. I want to go to Boulder.
Yeah,
we can come back.
Yeah, just tell them.
Okay, we'll be right back. We're confused.
Yeah.
Okay, listen to that trailer just moaning. I hope those aren't axles. Sounds like my tongue. I haven't greased it up. This is Trailer Village, Lake Mead. And we're just looking at it. We're still going to go into Boulder City, but well, we won't go into how we got in. It's $25 to most of it just to get in here. And then whatever the trailer spaces cost. Now we could stay here. Check your Wi-Fi. See if we got Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a must. I just wanted to see if we could get down to the lakeside. Ooh, some people are down there.
Passport AES, RV Village.
Oh, look at this, babe.
There is Wi-Fi.
Is there? Mm-hmm. Look at that guy right there. There's places down here. Listen to the squealing. All right, well, here's some real pictures, real time.
Not $10 a night.
No, she said the camp on the government park headquarters. There's Lake Mead. Looks like another Looks like another lake to me. But there's no place to just walk to having an IPA. So is it really an RV trip if you have to just sit in your RV without walking to an IPA? I say no. I say no. It's not. Okay, we're done here. We're going to go up to Boulder City and check it out before it gets dark. Bye. The Lost RVers. Trailer Village, Lake Mead. Sign historical district this way. This is straight up, this is like a 12% grade. Listen, that old 5.0 is just winding out, baby. 40 miles an hour, 2200 RPM. Towing this 21 FB Mesa Ridge. Walk around bed. So our mission here is to figure out what the hell we're doing, because we have to find some place to stay. And it's about 5 o'clock. It'll be dark here soon. No matter where we go, we'll be pulling into the dark unless we go into a motel room. Park the RV out front. That's always a possibility. But let's say a historical district this way. I don't believe it. Why would they put the historical district on a mountaintop? I don't know. Oh, now we're going back down. All right, I'll let you guys go for right now. There's Boulder City. There's a view of the town.
Oh, wow.
Or I guess this would be the suburban area of Boulder City. This is where the people of Las Vegas live when they're just...
Look at that. They got a...
Oh, there's the lake out there. Beautiful. Nice vantage point from here. That's why people live up here. Hotty toddies. This is where all the rich people live in Las Vegas. These guys are just what we're doing. All right, I'm gonna put this on pause. This is the historical district at Boulder City. I'm not sure what we're looking at. Christmas lights are up.
Flying saucer, babe.
Flying saucers.
The flying saucer.
Wow. All right, we'll just keep this rolling, rolling, rolling. There's Wells Fargo. Do we need anything at Wells Fargo?
There's a brew pub.
Ooh, look at that. This old car. Chevy, man, Chevy.
Well, this is a nice.
Huh.
It's nice.
Of course, towing our trailer on down through it. We're on parade, baby. We're on parade. This is a Tuesday. No, this isn't Tuesday. This is a Thursday night. Trailer Village told us that they were all packed in. No space available. What you doing in our... Why are you driving through here? We just want to get some pictures of the lake. You're the easiest place to come to. All right, well... Boulder City at night. You really wanted to see what it looks like.
I wonder what they use that for. They look like billets.
Yeah, they do. They look like military billets. Best Western. There you go, baby. Ideally, we're looking for a free RV camping at a casino with a Wheel of Fortune penny slot machine. We may just go into Vegas just for that and stay right where we were. How much was that? $36?
Yep.
We're one block off of Fremont Street, but that's going to be another couple $100. But we're going back tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be a couple days back, but still, it's pretty much over. It's the worst feeling in the world is when you say, well, it's kind of over. Okay, we're going to pull off at the Chevron station up here and just kind of get our thoughts together and see what we want to do. We know where to go in Vegas. We found that place. That was a score, $36. $36 a night, one block off the Fremont Street. Yeah.
Casino.
Are we going north or south? We're going north. I think this goes right. This is Boulder City Highway, Parkway. I think this goes right into Las Vegas. All right, well that was the historical district. It wasn't very exciting. Okay, we'll be back after we figure out what we are doing. Bye. This is Boulder City at night, sunset. They're looking probably west right there. The decision has been made. We're going back to Las Vegas. We're now I'm getting a cappuccino, and I don't know what she's getting. There's Boulder City down there. We just drove through it. I took those shots. There wasn't really anything, no casinos, no. We didn't see that. I guess we didn't see the modern day downtown. But we're gonna go back and go to Fremont Street again, and one last hoot before we take off back to California. There she is. Every place really beautiful up here. Every place so clean comparatively. Bye.